Oh, you! Where did you find that?
I've got a few.
Where from?
Ruth and Adrian.
Oh.
Right, so I went to Newton Abbot yesterday in Devon to collect this, which is a Peugeot Boxer stroke Talbot Express stroke Fiat Ducato camper rear chassis. I just cut that front end off because it was well, it's part of the cab and floor, so I've just chopped that off, ready to bolt on a hitch to mount a fridge body. That's the plan up to press. So trailer's built, just got to connect the brakes up, so I'm just getting it ready for coat of paint. So A-frame on, yep, lovely. So the body's bolted on. I've now built a platform on this end. It's nearly finished. Got to have a bit of reinforcement across the front there because well, I've got some checker plate that'll just tidy that up nicely. And then we've got to start on the inside, make it into a little house, remove, do something with the doors. Don't know yet, we'll see. Anyway, that's so far. So I've just built this frame on the front. I say built the frame. This is the racking that was inside that used to house the food baskets. So I'm leaving it like that till we get there in case we want to run a roof off the top and up to there. So we'll see. But I was a bit concerned about somebody falling off. This is going to be the outside kitchen, and then at the back I've refitted the water tank, bolted on a checker plate, sort of protect a thing, but mainly just to give it a finishing edge really. Got the lights to put on. The straps are only there temporary, they're just holding the water tank up so I could get things measured and lined up. And then I've folded it round. I just folded it over an inch on the near side, and then on the off side I've folded it round a foot because there's a tap goes behind there. I just wanted to protect it a bit, mainly because I've already snapped it off once. I don't want to snap it off again. Obviously then bolts are going to get shortened. I think the chassis will get, back panel will get painted black maybe. I don't know whether the checker plate will, but we'll see.